Hello friends, today I'm going to show you two huge dial watches from Sea-gull. This is model 5119 and this is M222S. They are both in 45 mm diameter. You can see the watch dial is quite big. They are using ST36 movement. This is ST36 movement. When wind is, you can see there is click sound. The small second dial on 9 o'clock position. Okay, you can hear the click sound. It's very musical charm. The back side of the watch is see-through design. There are Sea-gull logo on it. Sea-gull logo on the crown. The pin part is matte feeling. The M222S are with enhanced glow-in-dark material on the pointers and the hour marks. The 5119 do not have glow-in-dark function. The beautiful mechanical moving. Thank you.